Hi, I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to review the all-in-one pet grooming and de-shedding tool.
This 2-in-1 tool allows you to groom your pet in the comfort of your own home. You'll need to attach this universal hose head to the vacuum that you already own, and it comes with a long hose so you can keep the vacuum away from your pet if you need to. It also includes a grooming brush and a de-shedding tool.
So here's a closer look at the two brushes. You can see here the instructions are right on top, which is really convenient. And these bristles, they have the little protective end, so it's gonna be safe for your animal. This is a 35-degree curve, so it's almost like a massage when you run it up and down your pet. And I'm gonna show you that in just a moment.
You can see here that my dog is really loving this rounded brush. It's definitely like she's getting a massage. And as the hair comes out, I just turn on my vacuum and it gets sucked away. Here's a close-up of that happening. Now I switch to the de-shedding tool, and it's really efficient at pulling out the excess hair. Just like the brushing tool, all I have to do is turn on the vacuum to suck away all of that hair.
So in summary, I think my favorite thing about this product is that I avoid a trip to the groomers. So that saves me time and money. And on top of that, my pet can be comfortable getting groomed in our own home. This is a great product, and I definitely recommend it.